Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, introduce myself. My name is Putri Veronica from Manajemen 22A. My NPM is 2241140. Transfer pricing refers to price at which divisions or subsidiaries of a multinational company transact with each other for goods, service, or intellectual property. These internal transactions occur between related entities within the same corporate group, often across different countries. Transfer pricing is a crucial element in determining how the profits of a multinational company are allocated among its various locations, especially in different tax jurisdictions. Purpose of transfer pricing. The primary purpose of transfer pricing is to ensure the transaction between related entities are conducted as if they were independent parties, often referred to as the arm's length principle. This principle is used by tax authorities to prevent companies from artificially shifting profits to low-tax jurisdictions, which could reduce their overall tax burden. Transfer pricing regulations aim to ensure that each country receives a fair share of the tax base corresponding to the economic activity conducted within its borders. Methods of transfer pricing. There are several methods companies can use to determine transfer prices, all designed to comply with the arm's length principle. Some of the most commonly used methods include 1. CUP method. This method compares the price charged in the control transaction or between related entities with the price charged in a controlled transaction or between independent entities for similar goods or services. 2. Cost plus method. This approach calculates the transfer price by adding a markup to the cost incurred in producing goods or service. The markup is based on the profit that independent companies would typically earn in similar situations. 3. Resale price method. This method involves determining the transfer price by subtracting a appropriate gross margin from the resale price at which a product is sold to an independent buyer. 4. TNMM. This method examines the net profit margin that a company earns from a controlled transaction relative to its sales, assets, or other financial metrics and compares it to margin earned by comparable independent companies. Issues and challenges in transfer pricing. Transfer pricing is a complex area that poses several challenges for multinational companies and tax authorities. One of the primary concerns is tax avoidance. Some companies may use transfer pricing to shift profits to subsidiaries in countries with lower tax rates, thereby minimizing their overall tax liability. This practice, known as base erosion and profit shifting, has drawn increasing scrutiny from tax authorities globally. Another challenge is compliance. Multinational companies must maintain detailed documentation of their transfer pricing policies and methods to demonstrate that their transactions are at arm's length. Failure to comply with transfer pricing regulation can result in significant penalties, tax adjustment, and increased security from tax authorities. Regulatory framework and global entities has established guidelines to address transfer pricing issues. The OECD and BEPS Institute has left the creation of policies aimed at curbing aggressive tax avoidance through transfer pricing. Additional countries have implemented local regulation and laws based on OECD guidelines to ensure proper environments and compliance. Conclusion: transfer pricing is a vital aspect of international business operation, ensuring that intercompany transactions are conducted fairly and comply with tax laws. While it can be used strategically by multinational corporations to manage cost and probability, it also poses significant regulatory challenge due to the risks of the tax avoidance. Both companies and tax authorities must work together to ensure transparency and compliance, adhering to arm's length principle and international guidelines to maintain fairness and global tax system. Guys, I think enough. Thanks for your attention and see you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.